Okay, it's another unboxing video. This time it'll be a very short one because it's for some RAM. It's for Corsair Dominator Platinum, 32 gig, so two 16 gig sticks, and the light bar upgrade kit. So there's the RAM, 32 gig of loveliness, very nice. And it's 3200 megahertz of DDR4, and that's the upgrade kit. A lot lighter, same box for branding purposes. So let's have a look at the RAM first, and then we'll think about the upgrade kit. So we'll just cut that very carefully, and then tease it out. Oh, not the camera. So there's the RAM, and each one comes in a lovely little plastic box. It's pretty heavy stuff. So that's the RAM, 16 gig stick. Notice the little tiny Allen key screws on there. So there's two of those. Plastic rubbery really, little holder for them, so you can see in front and back. There's no documentation, no bits of paper, you just get the RAM and that's it, which is kind of all you're after anyway. So that's the RAM. So let's see what's in the lighting kit. So these RAM modules have LEDs on them anyway, so this little kit upgrades two modules, and there's an instruction book which says take the RAM out, undo the screws, take off the little bar, put the little bit in, depending on what colour you want, and then reassemble. So the instructions are quite you can do just from the pictures. It's not quite the genius of Lego, where there's no words at all, but you can do it from the pictures. So there's the little aluminium, hear that? Actual metal aluminium bar, which matches the one on the RAM, except the one on the RAM doesn't have two holes in it. So those two holes, that's I want to snap this. So what have they done here? Oh, they've just sort of turned the bag back on itself to wrap it. Can't get that out. I have to tape together, that's why. So I'll just snip the tape. There we go. So inside this bag are 4 bits of plastic. 2 sort of light blue and 2 clear. And depending on which one you want, you fit that into the aluminium arm, so that when you plug the RAM back in, the lights, which normally illuminate sort of that bit there, shine through the holes. So I wouldn't say it's going to work like floodlights, but it should make them look a bit funky and a bit sexier. And in the little bag you have a little Allen key and all the little Allen screws and sort of yeah, all the little bits you need to swap them over. So essentially you get the main RAM, which is this stuff here. You take off the one that comes with it, you put on the one they supply with the plastic bit of your choice, and then when you plug them in, the lights shine out. Nice, but entirely unnecessary. So yeah, RAM itself, very boring. You just get the RAM, although it is 3200 DDR4. It is a 32 gig kit, which is a chunk of money. But the light kit itself, I think, is 20 quid. Quite funky, quite cool, but you don't need to buy that. So yeah, any questions, any comments, just pop them in the comment, and thanks for watching.